Hello everyone. We have this question: if 2x square plus 3x minus 5 into x plus 2 equal to x cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d, then what is the value of AC minus BD? So we will find out the value of AC minus BD. For this, we will solve. First of all, we will solve this equation. So let's try to find out the solution of this question. So as this is our question, so first of all, we will multiply these three terms with these two terms, and then we will see the result. So let's multiply. So first of all, we will multiply 2x square with this x, so it will become 2x cube, 2x square into x, 2x cube, and then 2x square with 2, so it will become 4x square. Now we will multiply this 3x with this x, so it will become 3x square, and now 3x with 2, so it will become 6x. And now minus 5 with x, so minus 5x, and minus 5 with plus 2, so equal to minus 10. And now 2x cube plus 4x square plus 3x square. So this 4x square plus 3x square will add. So it will become 7x square, and plus 6 square minus 5x. This will become plus x and minus 10. So overall, this equation will become 2x cube plus 7x square plus x minus 10, which is equal to x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d as given in question. So now we will compare this all the values with this given equation ax cube. So ax cube will be compared with this 2x cube because the power or exponent are same. So it means that a equal to 2 and b equal to 7. Similarly, c equal to 1 and d equal to minus 10. So a equal to 2, b equal to 7, c 1 and d equal to minus 10. And now, according to question, we have to determine AC minus BD. So we will put these values of A, B, C, and D. So as we know that A equal to 2, so 2 into C, C equal to 1, so 2 into 1 minus BD, so B equal to 7 and D equal to minus 10. So this will become 2 and minus multiply minus equal to plus, so 2 plus 70 overall, so 2 plus 70. So now this will become AC minus BD equal to 72. So 72 is the answer. So now let's revert to our original question. This was our question: if 2x square plus 3x minus 5 into x plus 2 equal to x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then AC minus BD, what is the value of AC minus BD? So we determined this value, which is equal to 72. So option C is our correct answer. So this is the correct answer of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Anyway, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Tata. Take care.